Hi guys, my name is Shanik Ronaldo. I'm a student of Finance and Macro Institute of Technology. Today I will talk about how to create a LUN and how to connect it to your Windows Server 2012 through iSCSI Initiator. So before we start, I should say that NetAPP modules contains 7 modules and I'm screencasting the 6th module which is already done by me. So I will guide you with the steps that I went to complete my module successfully. So first we should create aggregates before creating a LUN. So it is necessary to create aggregates before you create a LUN. So when after you have created your aggregates, you can create LUNs. First you should go to putty, which you can contact your data on tab. So when I click this, it you will get a window like this. So you have to type your data on tab IP here and click on SSH port 22. Always make sure, otherwise it won't work. So click on open and you should provide your username which you provided while configuring your data on tab and the password as well. So I'm in my data on tab. So you should, to begin with iSCSI, you should check if the iSCSI services are running on your data on tab. So you can check that while typing this command iSCSI status and click enter, and you can see my services are running. If your services are not running, you should type this command is options iSCSI dot enable space on. You should type on. So I won't type on because mine is already running. Hit enter and you can see your iSCSI is enabled when you hit enter. So to add license, you can do it in two ways. Either you can use this putty, or either you can use the NetApp on command system manager. So I will first try to show you how to do it from the putty. You have to type license add and the license you have. So when you hit enter, it will automatically get registered on your NetApp. You can see it. So from the command system manager, you can click on your storage name. You can go to configurations. You can click on system tools, go to licenses. As you can see, I have already licenses 3, one for NFS and one for SEPs and one for iSCSI. So to add a license, you have to click here add button and give your license, and when you add, it will give which license you have added, either if it's SEPs, NFS or iSCSI. So now after this, you have to go to your server, which is here. Mine is server 2012 R2. So here you have to go to, you have to find administrative tools, and it's already here, and click on services, and you have to find your iSCSI initiator services here. As you can see, mine is running, and if your one is not running, just double click on this and make it automatic and click on start, and it will start running. After this, you have to go to your iSCSI initiator services. You can find it from here. Just go search iSCSI initiator. As you can see, I have already opened it. So in here you should go to configurations tab, go to configurations tab. go to configuration tab, go to change, and you should save this file, this name, because it's important to save this name, because later on you have to put it into your NetApp on command system manager. So make a text file. That's what I did, and I copied the name and I pasted here, so I don't have to go to the iSCSI initiator again and again. So cancel, because mine is already completed. And then you have to go to discovery tab and click on discover portal. Mine is already configured, as you can see. Click on discover portal, type on your data on tap IP, and click on advanced. You have to select your local adapter, Microsoft iSCSI initiator, and initiate IP, your server IP. Then click OK. I can't click OK because it's already configured properly. So I will click on cancel. You click on OK and cancel here as well. After that, you have to go to your mic. You have to go to targets, and here you have to press quick connect and give your data on tap IP and 16.61.8 and click on quick connect, and you will get your NetApp target here. So click on done. Mine is already connected, so I don't have to connect. I will click on done. You click on connect if it's not connected, and I will check here cancel because it's already done for me. And when you go down, that's it. Your iSCSI is configured. So now we can create LUNs in our NetApp manager. So to create a LUN, you should go to storage, click on LUNs, and click on the create button and click next, and give any name you like. I will give LUN 5 because no, LUN 5 is there. I will give LUN 6, and you can give any description which will help you to find your LUN properly. So I will give 100 in because this is a test, and always click on theme provision. You can give any size according to your aggregate. So click next, and you can choose your aggregates here by clicking choose. So I have chose aggregate 1 because it's my storage. So I will click next. Here I have already created my initiator group name, so I will click this. But if you don't have an initiator group, you should click on add initiator group, give a name whatever you like, then click on initiators, then you have to click on add, and you have to give that name which I saved it on this text file. When you give this text name here and click OK, but I will click cancel because I already have initiator name. So I will click next and next. It's done successfully. If it's not done successfully, if you can't map your initiator group, it will give a cross here with a red color mark. So you have to check your settings in the iSCSI again properly. So I will click on finish. It's created here. So now if I go to my disk management in server, I can see my LUN here. It's taking a bit of time. Let me try that again. As you can see, my lung is created here. So to make your lung, you have to make it online, make it initialize disk, go with the default settings. When it's unallocated, right click on your drive, click on new simple volume, click next, go with the defaults. You can choose any drive letter you want, click next, go with the defaults here, next, and finish. And it's already formatted, so you can cancel. And if you go to documents, you can see it here, it's there. And if you want to move your LUN to another aggregate, you should follow this command, which is you have to go first, you have to go to your putty, which is on your controller, and you have to type vol move start and the LUN name you created, LUN 6, into any aggregate you have created. So I'm not gonna move because I already have done this step. So when you press OK, it will move. So that's it, guys. That's it for creating LUNs and accessing it through Windows Server by using Icecast Initiator. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.